Yeah, so today we are going to be talking about this platform called Higgsfield AI, which is a Gen AI platform trending currently in the system, and then doing amazing kind of generation of images and then videos. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead and then show you how everything works, from generating highest quality images to cinematic videos and then so on. So I'll be leaving the link in the video description for you guys to check, and you can also check the pinned comment section to get access to it. But first, make sure to watch the video from the beginning to the very end, and then know how this platform works very well before you go into it. So let me open a browser. I prefer you using Google Chrome, or you can choose anyone that you like. Then inside the search bar, I want you to type Higgsfield, which you can see over here, Higgsfield AI. And then once you arrive on the home page, when you are a new member visiting the website for the first time, you'll be asked to create an account. So when you get an account, they have a plan system which gives you credit to be able to generate your images successfully. So when you create a new account, you'll be given a free plan which comes with 10 credits each and every single day. And as you can see, I am on the ultimate plan over here, which I have a total of 1,200 credits to use for generating both images and then videos with some unlimited features. So you should also go ahead and then get a plan for you to be able to generate unlimited videos or images. So enough chit chatting over there, let's go straight to the main reason that we are here, which is creating the image and then the video. So you could see on the home page over here, the platform has a lot of features for you to explore: creating images, videos, editing images, which is over here. And then if you scroll down to the very bottom, you see gallery, where the images or videos created by others using the website or other people in the community over here. And if you scroll further down, you see more and more of other features like the skin enhancer, Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6, and then so on and so on. Pretty much a lot of features for you to explore and then use. So let me go ahead and then show you how I do generate my images and then cinematic videos with the image. So you see the middle button over here. I want you to click on it, which will take us to the create page over here. So now on this page, I'm going to be utilizing two different models over here, which the first one is being the Nano Banana Pro, and then the second is the Create Video one, but I'll be using the Kling 2.6 model one, which comes with audio feature, and it is a new model on the Higgsfield website. So you should also go ahead and then check it out right now. So first of all, the first thing that we are gonna be doing is creating the image that you want to turn into the video. So I'm going to click on the Nano Banana Pro, and then on the prompt page over here, I already have the image prompt that I want to use for these kind of videos. And then the first one is being an anime prompt, and then a movie prompt. Yes, of course, I love watching anime a lot, so I'm going to be utilizing one of those. So let's go to the prompt. So you can see over here I have all my image prompts and then the video prompt ready. So the first prompt is about anime, like which I already told you. So I'm going to copy that first prompt and then head over to Nano Banana Pro and then let it generate the image for us. So you can pretty much write your prompt into a very detailed one for you to get the ultimate result that you are looking for. So let's head back to the main website. So on this page over here, you are going to see the features of the model that you are currently using, and an option to upload a reference image that you want to include in the image generation. But I'm not going to be uploading any kind of reference images. I'm just going to go straight forward with the prompt that I have, which is this. And then over here you see the feature of unlimited, which I already told you in the first part that if you get an ultimate plus plan, you'll be given the feature to generate certain type of images unlimited for free. So I'm going to be changing that. Okay, I'm going to be switching on the unlimited, and then the ratio, which is the how you want the form that you want the video to be in. I'm going to be selecting the 16:9, which is the YouTube aspect ratio, and then the quality, I'm going to be selecting the 4K quality for highest quality. So now if you go to the left side over here, you see this section which says 1 out of 4, meaning that the number of images that you want to be generated rather. So I'm going to be leaving it on 1, but you can choose any. So let me click on the unlimited button over here, and then give this some time to process the image and then generate it for us. So I'll be back in a minute with the result for you guys to see. Okay, it has been like some few 1 minute to 2 minutes, and our image generation have been completed, and you can see over here the image is pretty amazing. So for us to turn this kind of image into a movie type or a video type, you have to click on the image, and then it will show up this pop-up, which you can do other different kind of things like publishing it to the forum page, the community page for others to see, or you can rerun and then create another one if you don't like it, or delete it completely. And then if you want to save it onto your device, you just have to click on the down arrow button over here, which is the download button, and then it will take some time to render the image and then download it onto your device, as you can see over here. So now for us to turn this into a video, I want you to click on the modify button, and then on the modify button you could see edit video, speak, and then recreate. I want you to click on the video, and then it will take us to the video creation page. Now on this video creation page, I already told you in the beginning of this video that we are going to be utilizing the Kling 2.6 model, which is the newest model with the audio feature. So that's what we are going to be utilizing over here, and you can see it at the top. I want you to go ahead and then select that, and then when you select it, you'll be shown a different kinds of features that this model poses, which we have the general one, we have animalization, we have giant grab, area pullback, I can fly, starship troopers, and then so on and so on. So I'm going to be going with the general, and then click on next. So on this next page, it is going to automatically import in or fill in the image that we want to use to turn into the video. So you can see the image have been selected over here. So the prompt, I'm going to go back to my notepad and then getting the prompt to turn this an image into a cinematic shot. Okay, here is the first prompt over here. I'm going to copy that, and then we head back to the platform and then paste in our prompt over here. So our prompt have been successfully pasted, Now let's head down to the bottom over here. Make sure to leave the model on Kling 2.6, or you can change it to any that you like. And then on the enhanced section over here, you can either choose to leave it on or off, but I would prefer you leaving it on for better results. And then the audio session, please make sure to turn it on. You can either choose to turn it off, but I would prefer you turning it on for the maximum result or a very good result. And then the duration, you can choose any kind of duration that you want, ranging from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. I'm going with 10 seconds. And then this is going to cost us a total of 20 credits. So let's go ahead and then generate this, and then give it some time to generate the video for us. So once the video generation is completed, I'm going to get back to you over here and then show you the preview of everything. Okay, so it has been like 3 minutes now, and then our video generation is completed. So let's go ahead and then give it a preview of how everything looks like. And wow, this is amazing. Even though you can't actually hear the audio, but I'm sorry about that, but you can see that the result is already amazing. So if you wanted to use this platform, I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description and the pinned comment for you to check it out too. So now you can either choose to recreate this or leave it like that and then download it onto your device. So now since this one is done, let's move on to the audio. Let's move on to the second image and then the video generation. I'm just so excited about this website. Its results are so amazing. So let's go back to the second image and then the second video. So this is our second image, which is a movie type 1. Let's copy that, and then let's head back to the website again and do the same process as how we did for the first image and then the first video. So you go to the middle section over here, the create page, and then from there you choose Nano Banana Pro. And then inputting in your prompt. Then you turn on the unlimited feature. You change the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the YouTube form, and then you change the quality to 4K, and then you can increase the quantity or leave it as 1, and then click on unlimited. So let's wait for the second image to also be generated for us, and once that is done, I'm also going to get back over here and then show you the result. And also if you made it so far to this part of the video, make sure to like the video and then subscribe to the channel, and also share it with a friend that will be in need of this kind of AI website or AI features. Okay, it's been like some few minutes now, and then our image generation, the movie image generation, have been completed. So let's give it a preview, and you can see over here the result is already stunning and amazing. So let's go ahead and then use this to generate our second video too. So let me copy my second video prompt over here. So let's copy that, and then let's head back to the page again, and then we click on modify like how we did for the first one, and then go to video, and then from the video section we select Kling 2.6 model, and then we go with the generalness, and then it will automatically select the image that we generated right now as the reference for the video generation. So let's input in our video prompt over here, and then we leave the enhance feature on, and then audio to on, and then the duration at 10 seconds. So the total is still going to be 20 credits. Let's click on generate, and then give it time for it to generate the video for the second image too. So once the generation is completed, I will get back here and then show you the result too. Okay, so our video generation for the movie type is also completed. Let's give it a preview, and you can see over here that the preview is pretty amazing. Preview is very good. So if you watch the video to the very end, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you face any kind of issues, make sure to write it down in the comment section. I'll do my very best to attend to each and every single one of them. And also don't forget to check out the platform through the video description or the pinned comment section. So thanks for watching the video. Bye.